Good afternoon, Recon here with Techout. Today we're going to be taking a look at the ElementCase BlackOps X3 for the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. This is also available for the 12 Pro Max. This case retails for $249, so it is not a cheap case. But I've had a couple of these in the past on previous phones, and for some people I think it is well worth the money. It is a very, very nice case, as you can see here just by the presentation and everything. Once I get the case out of the box, we'll take a look at everything. This is an all aluminum case. It is screwed on, so it doesn't screw directly to the phone obviously, but these screw onto the sides, so there's no falling out, nothing like that. It is a very secure case. Right here we have your little tool for those screws, as well as it looks like some additional screws, two for the case. I believe one of those is for the card thing, and the wallet mount here as well. So this case does feature a wallet on it right here. We'll see how we can get that out here in a second. Okay, so it just slides out. Very nice. This is also machined aluminum, and it just slides back on. It's got a little latch right here, so it's not going to slide off when you're using the belt clip or anything like that. So you just push on that and slide it off. It's got this little mechanism in here, so if you only have one card in, your cards are still secure. It has a kickstand right here. So to pull that out, looks like you just pull it out. It does latch in there, so you can use that as a kickstand. Right here it does have a sliding camera cover for privacy and to protect your camera, so you can just slide that over and nothing can bump into your camera. And, you know, if for some reason some app's accessing your camera or something like that, can't see anything out of it. I think it's more for protection than it is privacy though. Machined aluminum buttons right here, all aluminum sides. Same thing over here, we have your cutout for your your mute switch and your volume buttons right here. Nice cutout for the speakers, microphone, and lightning port on the bottom there. And it looks like a little lanyard spot here, so you can attach a lanyard. I don't think it comes with one. No, it doesn't. That's everything that's in the box. Close that back up. That is the packaging right here. Not too much on the back. It just gives you a little mechanical kickstand, lens cover, fast tap buttons, integrated glass breaker, and tether loop. So actually that is something you can use to break glass, which is nice. If you're in like a car accident or need to get out of your car or something like that, you can maybe smack the window with the corner of your case, and it's supposed to break the glass. Removable card magazine, so it looks like it fits 3 cards. Doesn't say anything about cash. I probably wouldn't put cash in it because it would probably slide out. But that is pretty nice that it has a little clip on it and everything like that. So you can clip it in your pocket so your phone, doesn't fall over to the bottom of your pocket. You can keep it right there ready to go. I'm not going to put the phone in this case in this video. I will do a review and everything like that. This is simply just an unboxing. I do have to take all these screws off and everything like that to get my phone in there. So I will do that in a separate video. Coming up here shortly, I'll do a first impressions and everything like that, and you guys can see the phone in the case. So make sure you subscribe. Like I said, this is the BlackOps X3 for the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. There also is one available for the 12 Pro Max. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.